A $4 billion settlement relating to the Maui wildfires, it can now move forward.
A Maui judge's ruling today resolves a critical roadblock in the case. Judge Peter Cahill has ruled that insurance companies that have paid out more than $2 billion in claims to fire victims can seek reimbursement only up to the amount the defendants agreed to pay them. Lawyers representing hundreds of plaintiffs had asked the court to bar insurers from seeking reimbursement.
Now, insurer lawyers argued in court filings that what they called the rush to push through a settlement deprives the insurers of their due process. Now, the settlement, it was reached earlier this month, days before the one-year anniversary of the fires, amid fears that Hawaiian Electric could be on the brink of bankruptcy.